In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop an image into a circle shape in CapCut PC. If you need to turn a square photo into a clean circular frame for something like a profile badge, a reaction cutout, or a logo overlay, this is one of the easiest ways to do it inside CapCut on your computer. The good news is that the whole process is quick, beginner-friendly, and only takes a few clicks once you know where everything is. To get started, place your photo on the timeline. Go to the media bin in the top left area of CapCut, find the image you want to use and drag it directly down onto the timeline. Once it's there, click on the image clip so it becomes selected. You'll know it's selected when it highlights in light blue. This is important because CapCut needs the clip to be active before you can apply any changes to it. After that, it's time to turn the image into a circle. With the photo still selected, move over to the Properties panel in the top right corner. In that panel, click on the Mask tab. You'll see different mask options available there, and the one you want is the circle preset. Click it, and CapCut will instantly crop the photo into a circular shape right in the preview window. This is the main step that creates the effect, and you should immediately see the image take on that rounded frame. Now you can fine-tune the result so it looks exactly the way you want. In the preview screen, you'll notice yellow handles around the circle. You can drag these handles to resize the mask and adjust the shape. This is especially useful if the circle looks too small, too large, or slightly stretched. If the shape looks more like an oval, adjusting those handles will help you bring it back into a clean, balanced circle. You can also drag the center of the mask to reposition it, which helps you reframe your subject and make sure the most important part of the image stays visible inside the circular crop. If you want the edges to look a little softer, go back to the top right menu and increase the feather slider slightly. A small amount of feathering can create a smoother, more polished border and give the circle a softer visual finish without making it look blurry. And that's it! Your image is now cropped into a circle shape in CapCut PC, ready to use in your project.